Hello everyone, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do a comparison between Tecno Spark 20 Pro 5G and the Tecno Spark 20 Pro 4G to see which device is going to be better, what are the differences, and which one you should buy based on your preference and necessities. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So there are some differences and some similarities between the 5G and 4G version of Tecno Spark 20 Pro. For example, the display is exactly same, so we will talk about only the differences and which one is better compared to the other one. The very first major difference is that one of them is a 5G device, another one is a 4G device. So if you're planning to buy a 5G smartphone, then of course you can ignore the 4G version and go with the 5G version of Tecno Spark 20 Pro. Another one is the chipset. The Spark 20 Pro 5G comes with MediaTek Dimensity 6080 processor, and the 4G version comes with MediaTek Helio G99. The performance of the Dimensity 6080 is going to be a bit better compared to Helio G99. If you are interested, you can watch our benchmarking test comparison video of these two smartphones to get the exact idea that how much difference you will get in terms of performance. Talking about the software, the Spark 20 Pro 5G comes with the latest Android 14, while the 4G version of the Spark 20 Pro is still running on Android 13 at this moment. Hopefully it will also get the Android 14 update, but right now while recording this video it is still on Android 13. Talking about the design and build quality, both of these smartphones are pretty much same in terms of the materials on the frame and on the front side, but the difference you will get is on the back panel. Both of them got the option for the vegan leather as well as the polymer composite, and both of them got their own unique color variants and textures. For example, here we got the Magic Skin version of Spark 20 Pro 4G with vegan leather, and here is the Spark 20 Pro 5G with the oil painting effect on its back panel. Another difference is that the back panel of Spark 20 Pro 5G is slightly curved on all four sides, while we got a flat back panel on Spark 20 Pro 4G. The frame of Spark 20 Pro 5G is slightly thinner compared to what we got on the 4G version of Spark 20 Pro, and the biggest difference comes in terms of the camera module design. While we got an iPhone looking camera on Spark 20 Pro 4G, what we got here on Spark 20 Pro 5G is very much similar to the camera module of Xiaomi 14. So as I said, both of them come with many different kinds of options in terms of color and the back panel material, and based on your preference you can go with any of them. Talking about the camera, both 4G and 5G version of Spark 20 Pro got exact same rear camera setup, but the difference on the front camera is pretty huge. We got 8 megapixel front facing camera on Spark 20 Pro 5G, while we got 32 megapixel front facing camera on Spark 20 Pro 4G. Both of them can record 2K resolution videos up to 30 FPS. The Spark 20 Pro 4G can record 1080p resolution videos up to 60 FPS. That is not available on the 5G version of Spark 20 Pro. Another major difference is in terms of the width of the lens. As you can see on Spark 20 Pro 4G, the front facing camera width is way too higher compared to what we got on Spark 20 Pro 5G. So when it comes to front facing camera, the Spark 20 Pro 4G is the clear winner, as it comes with higher resolution 60 FPS video recording as well as wider frame for the selfies. Now talking about the speakers, both of them got the stereo speaker setup, but the Spark 20 Pro 5G comes with Dolby Atmos powered speakers, which are not available on Spark 20 Pro 4G, but it comes with a 3.5mm jack that is not available on the 5G version. So if you want 3.5mm jack, you can go with the 4G version. If you want Dolby Atmos powered stereo speaker setup, then you can go with the 5G version of Spark 20 Pro. Another minor difference is that the Spark 20 Pro 5G comes with Bluetooth 5.3 and Spark 20 Pro 4G comes with Bluetooth 5.2. Everything else, the battery capacity, charging speed, amount of RAM, storage, fingerprint sensor performance, etc. are exactly same on both of these smartphones. So now you know what are the differences between these two smartphones and which one you should buy based on your preference and requirement. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.